Nitrogen oxide, NOx, are the main compounds responsible to form particulate matter and ozone, both harmful compounds when inhaled, leading to diseases such as asthma or serious respiratory infections. SikaShield Pure-Air is an advanced technology which helps to remove this pollution. The slates on the surface are coated with titanium dioxide, TiO₂, which acts like a catalyst and is activated when UV radiation from the sun hits the particles, releasing energy for breaking the NOx particles. The harmful NOx compounds are removed from the atmosphere by reacting with the TiO₂ surface and the water vapor in the air, resulting in nitric acid, HNO3. The HNO3 is removed from the surface of the membrane by rain, which regenerates the catalyst function of the TiO₂ for a new cycle. With SikaShield Pure-Air, you have an innovative and sustainable bituminous membrane which lasts for the entire life of the roof. SikaShield Pure-Air can be easily integrated into any Sika roofing system as a bituminous cap sheet membrane, either in new constructions or in renovations. Consequently, the project can be benefited with a sustainable solution by keeping different levels of quality and performance required by customers or local regulations.